Buenas noches, estimada tutora. El día de hoy, mi nombre es Jorge Ramírez. El día de hoy voy a presentar el video correspondiente a la tarea 4, eh, donde comenzó el teacher Leonor. I am Jorge Ramírez. I am 34 years old. I am single. I have two children. A boy, his name is Samuel, and her name is Nicole. I live in Cali, and I work on the clothes brand Punto Blanco. I am the manager of the store located in Honeycomb Mall. The last February, I went to Kalima Lake with my children, my girlfriend, and my best friends. We went in car, and really like this trip because I met the lake and it's beautiful with meat and barbecued with my friends. And we slept on some kinds on the chalet. The weather was incredible because it was sunny and we could swim in the pool and drank a lot of the beer. On the other hand, I was sad because I could see that the pollution was terrible and tourists threw barricades into the lake. I hope that in the future people will be more careful with environment. About the environment, the company that I am going to talk about is the one of the Jeff brand. I chose this company because I am a consumer and I really like their products. This company uses main plastic bags in distribution process to carry on the productions from the factory to the points for sale around the country. The reasons for using the plastic bags, according to the management of the main company, is to protect the clothes when they are transported. But the problem is that using many plastic bags causes great environmental problems because the plastic can take centuries to decompose, and in that sense and rivers the plastic cause problems to the animals. For all these reasons, is the formal letter sent to the company. I asked them to evaluation the possibility of the not using this material. My my advice to them is to replace plastic bags with paper, which also protect clothes and helps to decrease pollution. Thank you.